Welcome to 30 Days of Learning Pacdora. In today's video, we'll explore how to design a 3D plastic bottle using Pacdora. Let's dive in. First, visit the Pacdora website and select the plastic bottle option. A blank plastic bottle page will appear. Begin by adding a background color to your bottle. Next, add an image to the bottle, followed by the product name. Then, enhance the design by adding graphics to make it visually appealing. And we're done. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting design tips and tricks.